Welcome back as we move on to describe the meaning of the word square. In building work, as well as in engineering tasks, the term square is very important. The word square comes from the shape that we call a square. In a square, all the sides have an equal length, and each corner has an angle of 90 degrees. Instruments known as squares have 90-degree corners. A builder needs a builder's square to make sure that he has laid his bricks square at each corner of a building. A fitter needs a tri-square to make sure that a workpiece he is making has all its faces and edges square to one another. If something is out of square, you'll be able to see that the sides don't line up to the edges of the square instrument when it is placed over a corner. If a piece of metal which has not been filed squarely is checked with a tri-square, you'll be able to see this by looking at the square's edges when you hold the work up to a light or a window. Good artisans, tradesmen, and engineers make great efforts to keep their work square, level, and flat. Stop now and ask your instructor to show you the squares used in your work area.